Paul. Tough loss, Paul. Game 1.
Yeah, you good, bro? What happened? Oh, yeah, top loss. Bounce back. That's it. Forget that game. Kunin lang yung mga positive, and then kailangan yung mga negative makorek lang namin. So that's it. Long series.
Medyo lamig ka nung huli.
Yeah. Medyo naubos talaga. I admit it, ubos talaga. Parang na-drain talaga ako doon. So yun, bawi lang next game. Pahinga lang, prepare ka sa game 2.
Kailangan i-improve for game 2?
Siguro yung defense namin, kailangan namin itaas. Kung ano yung ginawa namin sa quarterfinals sa Ginebra, kailangan itaas namin. Pero credit pa rin sa Rain or Shine. Grabe yung intensity nila ng second half. So kailangan mapantayan namin yan.
All factor ba yung well-rested yung Rain or Shine? Kasi kayo katagaan nyo 2 days ago.
Feeling ko pagdating naman sa semifinals, wala nang mga ganung issue, no. Siguro they prepared well lang talaga, and then we didn't respect some of their guys. So yun, kailangan matuto kami doon, include me. Kailangan matuto kami lahat doon. So yun, bawi lang talaga sa next game, bounce back lang kami.
Thanks, Paul.
Thanks, Paul. Thank you.